Yes, sir.
Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Namah Shivaya. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Namo Namah
Thank you.
Mate.
Namo Namaha. Welcome, Uma madam.
Namo Namaha, madam.
Namo Namaha. So, actually, we were talking about this one, that is Sandhi, for the last week. I could not see you. So, you did not attend Sandhi, I think, right?
Last week I didn't.
You did not come, no? Okay. So, now I will share. Actually, before going into that, wow, the sharing mode, anyway, I'll start the file also. I'll keep it ready. We covered what is Sandhi. We first covered. I am sure you must be knowing. We must have done something
I
about
attended the
Sandhi.
week before that, madam.
Yes, sir.
The week before that I had attended.
Attended. No, very good.
Sandhi we had done.
Yeah. We have come out to Swara. Very good. Then it is better. Then last week we tried only Guna Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi. We finished and then we went into Yan Sandhi. Okay, we were doing only Yan Sandhi. So in Sandhi, just we will recall. As we know, we will quickly go through it. We should know Maheshwara Sutrani, I told you, because right now I am not insisting you learn about the Sutra for Sandhi. But as you go further, learning Sutra is the easiest way to learn the Sandhi. So with that in mind, I am requesting you to learn the Maheshwara Sutrani. Okay. I will again repeat Maheshwara Sutrani if you don't remember, because what is given in the Maheshwara Sutrani, those letters that we call also the Pratyeha, Pratyaharaha, dono things we are learning, no? Pratyeha means suffix, what you add. Pratyaharaha means in a short form, some few things together you are able to tell. Like as I told you in my example, A to B I want to go, you will know, okay, Adayar Anand Bhavan, she wants to go, like that. So, first letter, last some letter, we join them together in a short form we are trying to tell. So, this Maheshwara Sutrani, the story all know. Shiva appeared before our Patanjali Mahamuni, that is Panini Mahamuni, and gave the 14 sutras from which all the Varnas came. That is the story, we all know that. So, we have to learn Maheshwara Sutrani to know the Varnas. As I told you, I will just read the Maheshwara Sutrani once. I lyric, Eong, Ayouch, Hayavarat, Lan, Nyangagamanam, Jabaing, Gadadash, Jabagadadash, Kapachata, Chatata, Kapai, Shasasar, Hal. If you look at it, all the aksharas are arranged in a particular form with one last one halant letter. Halant means, you know, Vyanjanam, na? Ik is one hala. Halant means a letter with a dot. It is not a guna aksharam. It is a Vyanjanam standing on its own. When you take the first I one, I, U is there. In is just added to enable you to say an. When I say an, you know the letters involved are A, I, U. And whenever we are talking about the Hraswa Aksharas, Dirgham it automatically brings. When I say A, it means A and A only. If I want to say A alone, I don't want the A to indicate A also. Dirgham also, if I don't want, I have to put a takaram, taparaha we call it. If I say At Varnam, it clearly shows it is only Hraswa Akaram. If I say At, it will show only Akaram. Whereas if I simply say A, it indicates the Pluta also it will bring along with it. This is a rule in Sanskrit. So I1 shows I-U, Rilik shows R and L, A-O shows A-O, I-O, over. So when I start with A and if I say ich, ach, what do you understand? I start with A and I am telling you a pratyaharam, ach varnaha. What exactly you understand by ach varnaha? All the swaras. I, V, L, A, O, I, ouch. So all the swaras are indicated by the simple pratyaharam known as ach. When I was talking about yan sandhi, I was telling you yan sandhi or sutram. There is a sutram. Based on that only we are learning all these things. It says eko yanachi. That is a sutram. It's not simple. Once you mug it up and if you understand how to separate it, padachedam kritva, how to understand once you know, wherever you want, you can apply it. So, ikaha, yan, achi. Achi means all the swaras. Ikaha, ikvarnam, you know. E, v, r, is the ikvarnas. Just now we saw. I won't lyric. In this, ikaha stands for E, v, r, So, when the ikaha varnas are there in the purvapadasya antima varnam, parapadasya pratama varnam achu varnam asti chet, achi pare, iko yanachi, achi. Achi means seventh vibhakti, achu varnam. So, all this, any swaras are there in the parapadasya pratama varnam, then yan will take place. Yan stands for yava, rala. It is there. You can see it. Hayavarat lan. Ha, ya, va, ra, la. So if you say ha, you leave it. From starting from ya, va, ra, la stands for yan. Because starts at ya, ends at in. Yan, you call it. So this Maheshwara Sutani, my personal request to you is, please mug it up. There are 44 pratyaharas are there. If I tell you what is shalaha, I tell you. What is acharas in shalaha? Shalaha, if you look at it, shal, if you look at it, shas, sha, sa, ha. The last 13 and 14. They are known as Ushmaniya or Karkasha Vyanjanani. Very hard to pronounce. So, this will have a particular effect on a particular sandhi. So, later on as we go further, Hashuvarnaha, or this Mridu Vyanjanaha, Karkasha Vyanjana, like that each one we are going to learn. So please go through what is the first day before, last week or previous week, Varna Nama, what are the Varnas, how they are called, these are all we thoroughly studied. And even there Urpati Sthanam, where a Varna starts, Akuha, Visarga, Jiyam, Kantaha, like that we studied that also. It is there in your PPT also. Please go through it. It will look thoda difficult in the beginning, but that is a base. Once you learn it, Sandhi, you can learn till whenever you want, you can learn. It is not a problem. Okay, Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Can you define, Uma Sarma? What do you understand? I don't want any sutra now. Just tell me what do you understand by Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Savarna.
Savarna. Just to tell what should be the Purvapadasya Antima Varnam, what should be the Parapadasya Pratama Varnam, then which is replaced by what. Only those actual things which you do, you tell me. If you want some help, I can give an example also. You can go ahead with that.
Please, ma'am.
Okay. Vidya plus Alayaha.
So, A plus A.
Purvavadasya Antima Varnaha?
A.
Akaram. Okay. Parapadasya Pratama Varnam?
A.
So, that Hrasva Akara and Dirgha Akara, they are Savarnam to each other. The Savarnam is a technical term here. Okay. Where is the Urpati Sthanam? That is from where the Akshara starts from your mouth, from the throat through the mouth, where it starts, that decides what is a Savarnam to each Varnam. Okay, yeah. Now you may not be knowing. It is all, Panini is talking only technical words. When I say Guna Sandhi, it has nothing to do with Sadgunam or bad Gunam or good Gunam. Gunam there means only what? Gunam means what as per Panini? Panini says Gunam, you call Guna Sandhi. What is the meaning of the word?
Utpatti Sthanam?
No, Guna. Gunam means it's a technical name Panini has given. Guna Deshaga he will say, Gunam will come. Or Guna Sandhi you have learned. Why do you call a Guna Sandhi? We have gone through Guna Sandhi. What happens in the case of Guna Sandhi? A Sandhi gets the name from the Adesham which comes in. Okay. Sandhi's name is exactly based on what is getting, what comes and replaces something else. That is the Adesha name is Sandhi name. In Guna Sandhi.
Ad Gunaha.
Yes,
Ad Gunaha.
At gunaha. At gunaha. But guna letters. What are the guna letters?
A plus E.
A-O-R-L.
Adeng gunaha. A
A-O-R-L.
actually, ill generally we don't tell. Ar also not part of the sutram, Chitra, because you are telling the sutram, I'm trying to tell you. Okay, but even without sutram, now all of you know, akaram, then ekaram and okaram. This akara, ekara, okara, these three varnas are given a special name by technical name by Panini Maharaj as guna letters. Similarly, vriddhi. What are the vriddhi letters? Akaram, I, au. These three, okay. In the case of rikaram comes in the case of guna, there is uran raparaha, extra sutram is there. So wherever rikaram comes as a guna, it is replaced by ar. In vriddhi, it is replaced by r. Okay. So wherever rikaram, it will be replaced as ar or r. That we will come to know later. Now these are the, these are take from why I am trying to take vriddhi means we generally think vardate, it is growing like that. But that is not the meaning in Panini Sutra. It is a technical name. Like science, it has a special meaning. So here akaram, a and o are known as guna. But that is why guna sandhi. Whenever akaram is there in the purva varnasya antima varnaka, paravarnam ikaram atava ukaram asti chet, rikaram also can be there. But let us say ikara ukara asti chet, these two a and e will be replaced by a. And otherwise a and u will be replaced by o. So a, o, a are known as I told you, guna letter, technical name. That is why in the end sandhi also, when we are talking about what is a purvapadam, what is a parapadam, in the beginning I told you, in some sandhis, just now I asked Uma madam about the savarna dirgha sandhi. She has now defined purvavarnam akaram, paravarnam also akaram. It can be either hasva or dirgha. Both can be hasva, both can be dirgha, or one can be hasva, one can be dirgha, or purvam may be dirgha, param may be harva. These are the only four possibility for the akaram to happen. Then what is replaced by what, madam? Uma madam. So purva varnasa antima vidyalayala akaram asti, alayhala akaram asti. So what is replaced by what? Vidya alayaha. So what is the padam you are getting? Vidya
Vidyalaya.
alayaha. Vidyalayaha. So purvapadasya akaram, parapadasya akaram, dono were replaced by one single akaram. Understand? This is very important concept because in end sandhi you will learn both varnas are not replaced. That is, we have already learned. Last week you did not come. Anyway, I will take n again for you. So, starting from the Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, Guna Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi, and as you go Pararupa Sandhi, Purva Rupa Sandhi, these are all there. In these 5 sandhis, dono letters, Purva Padasya Antima Varnam, Parapadasya Pratama Varnam, dono will be replaced by one single letter. So they are otherwise known as Ekadeshaga Sandhis. Eka Adeshaga Bhavati. In the place of 2 varnas. Now coming to, so this is clear, Umaji? Any doubt here?
No, clear, ma'am.
Okay, madam. Now Guna Sandhi. Guna Sandhi, we have some example we can take. First we will. Guna Sandhi. I'll give you one example, then from there you tell. Deva plus Indraha. Indra.
O plus E gets replaced by A.
Yeah. So, Purvavarnasya akaram, Parapadasya ikaram, dono were replaced by A. So, what do you get?
Devendraha.
Devendraha. So, this is, as you clearly told, this is Ekadesha Sandhi. Because A also went out, E also went out. In their both the places together, A has come. Is it clear, madam? Okay. Now, Surya plus Udayaha. Sir, நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. பன்னிராஜன்.
सूर्य प्लस उदयः
ம்.
सूर्य अकार
ஆ,
अकार
அகாரம்.
पूर्वपदस्य अन्तिमवर्ण अकार अस्ति
ஆ.
परपदस्य पूर्वपदम् उकारम् अस्ति
ம்.
So, अ प्लस उ ओ
ம்.
सूर्योदय
Suryodaya. Okay, Suryodayaha. So here also
सूर्योदय
A and O, dono letters were replaced by one single letter O. So this is also Ekadesha Sandhi. Then Chitra madam, Sapta plus Rishayaha.
किं भगिनि?
Sapta plus Rishayaha.
सप्त
Sapta, 7. Sapta plus
सप्त सप्तर्षयः
Saptar Shayaha. Because
पूर्वपदस्य
A plus.
आदिमवर्णः अ
Yes, madam.
परपदस्य आदिमवर्णः रु
Mm.
आदेशः अर् भवति अतः सप्तर्षयः.
Very good, madam. Very nice. Now, Parameshwaraha, Uma. Do the Padachedam. Parameshwaraha.
Paramaha, Parama plus Ishvaraha.
Visargam don't put in the Purva Padam. If you put Visargam, it will go into Visarga Sandhi. That is something very different. Here only A plus E. Parama plus Ishwaraha. E karam. Okay, yeah. Then, sir, Rameshaha.
रम रमेशः रमाः प्लस ईशः
No, ha. Only akaram can be there.
ओके रमा राम प्लस ईश
No, Rameshaha I told. I never said Rameshaha. Rameshaha.
ओके रमा प्लस ईशः रमा प्लस
So
ईशः
Rameshaha.
रमेश
See, you got that doubt. Rama or Rama. You had that doubt. Correct? If it is akaram also, it will be Rameshaha only. If it is akaram also, it will be Rameshaha only. So when
but
you are
because
doing,
it is visarga at the end ईशः so it must be rama
Rama. No, it must be no. Otherwise also, whenever you are going to Padachedam, you are going to do means both the words should be meaningful to you. If you write Rama plus Ishaha also, Rameshaha only. But Rama is a word Naiye. Rama means that is Vishnu's wife, you know, na? So Rama, so Rameshaha. So you have to have meaningful padams. That is very, very important. Now I will give you one more thing. Chitra, Sulabhopayaha. Sulabhopayaha.
सुलभ प्लस उपायः.
Very good.
पूर्वपदस्य आदिमवर्णः अकारः परपदस्य प्रथमवर्णः उ ओकारः भवति. सुलभोपायः.
Very good. Uma, Purushotamaha.
Purushaha plus.
Madam, don't know Visargam. If Visargam is there, this Sandhi cannot take place.
Purusha plus Uttamaha.
Correct.
Purushottamaha. Akaranta plus Ukaranta.
Correct, madam. Devarshihi, sir.
देव प्लस ऋषि ही देव प्लस ऋषि ही
Very good. Correct. So some Vriddhi Sandhi also we will try to, just recalling only, N we will again proceed further today. Eka plus Ekam, Uma?
Eka plus Ekam.
Eka, Hrasvaka.
Eka plus Ekam. Ekekam, Ekaikam. No.
So A is replaced by A and
I.
A, dono are replaced by I. That is why it is Vriddhi. Okay, Ekaikam. So it is a Ekadesha Sandhi. Tavaishvaryam. Chitra? Tavaishvaryam.
Tava plus Aishwaryam.
Tava Aishwaryam.
Very
good, madam. Very nice. Tasya plus Odanaha. Sir?
tasya plus odanaha.
O will become
tasya plus tasya udanam au
correct. Tasyaudanah.
tasya udanaha.
Very good.
Madam, are you putting that slide? Because my slide is stuck up at end sandhi, anta, vanta, desha, sandhi.
I have not stopped. It is there. I have not started it. I am showing from my book only. Because Yanta Vanta, Yen Sandhi, I have not yet come now. Yes, madam?
Okay.
तस्य
Somebody
प्लस्
start.
ओदनम् अस्ति खलु
Oh, madam, Vodanaha, it is given in the example. So, Vodanaha.
तस्योदनम् औदनम् इति शब्दः नास्ति खलु तस्योदनम्
No. O will become au only. That is what Vriddhi Sandhi. Okay. Oshadaha becomes Aushadaha. Okay, yeah. O will become au only. So, Tasya plus Odanaha, O will become au. Tasya E, that Akaram you remove. Okaram you remove, put au. So, Tas Yau Danaha. That is what Vriddhi Sandhi. If I say Mama plus Aushadam, Chitra.
मम औषधम्
Im, A will you remove, Au will remove. In the both the places together, you will replace Au again. So, Mama Ushadam. Ganga plus Ogaha. Ganga plus Ogaha. Correct. Okay. Krishna plus Ekatvam. Uma?
Krishna plus
Ekatvam.
O plus A. Krishna
Katvam.
Tatvam.
Katvam, correct. Adya plus Eva, sir?
Adya plus eva, a plus ai. Adaiva.
Advaiva. Adyaiva.
Adyaiva. Not advaiva.
Why, how it will come?
Why
Ya
not?
is there. In the place of ya, you will put only EA. And in the இடத்துல Eva will become IA. So E plus EI. Adyaiva.
Adyaiva.
Enough. I will have to give something to split. That will be more difficult than giving what is together. That is easy. This is important. Upa plus Richati. Upa plus Richati. This is difficult for you. Actually, A plus R, you may try to put R. But in this case, you have to put R. Because here Gunam cannot. Richati is a verb starting with the Rikaram. Upa is a, it is Upasargam. Whenever a Upasargam is followed by Rikaram, Gunam will not take place. Vriddhi alone will take place. This is an exception for Gunam. This is under Vriddhi, but usually Guna would have come there. This you have to remember. This is an exception which I have written down. Okay, this will do. Now we will go to something, only this much you have learned, no? Savarna, Dirgha and these things only we have learned, not much, correct? Okay, now we will go to this. I will start this, let us see. End Sandhi, some to halfway we have seen, but we will just go through it again for Uma madam. So, End Sandhi is part of Swara Sandhi. What is the definition of Swara Sandhi, Chitra? Swara Sandhi. What is the definition of Swara Sandhi?
स्वर संधि तो क्या अच्छी संधि कौन सी स्वराकार तो उसमें व्यंजन नहीं आता है सिर्फ स्वर ही आता है
पूर्ववर्णस्य अंतिम वर्णम पदपदस्य प्रथम वर्णम दोनों should be only swaram. Only achu varnaha. A to au only allowed. No ik, ip, halantyam not allowed, visargam not allowed. This you will have to remember. Okay. So now Savarna Dirgha we have seen, Gunam we have seen, Vriddhi we have seen, Purva Rupa Sandhi we have seen, no? Purva Rupam we saw. Do you remember? Purva
Yeah.
Padasya Antima Varnaha Ye, you know what?
पूर्वपदस्य
Antima Varnam?
अन्तिमवर्णः ये परपदस्य ये अथवा ओ
Parapadasya Pratama Varnam?
आदिमवर्णः अ अस्ति चेत्
Hrasva Akaram
अकारस्य
Asti Chet. Yes.
अवग्रहचिह्नः आगच्छति.
Yeah. Avagraha Chinnam we are putting, but what Adeshaka is Purva Varnam. Adanaltha is name Purva Rupa Sandhi. Okay, A is there plus A comes, A will be replaced. That A will go and A will go. In that place, the Purva Rupam, that is A will come and sit. In the place of A, we are simply writing one yes letter to show A was there. But you are not supposed to pronounce the A. That's all. Okay? N Sandhi we are going through. Next we will see Yanta, Vanta, Desha Sandhi. Very interesting. Pararupa Sandhi. Prakriti Bhava. I don't think for your Parichaya exam Prakriti Bhava is there. But it is nothing, it is another one Sandhi only. Since they have given in this, this is given to me by our institute only. So we can go through it. But from the exam angle, I think only this much only. Anta Vanta it stops. Pararupam, Prakriti Bhava is not there for Parichaya exam. So, and I want to know how many of you are attempting the exam this February or when you are going to write the exam?
I
Parichaya
am trying to attend Mahoday.
in February itself.
Yeah.
Then we have to
I have
complete so many.
I have the book.
So we will speed up then from next week. That I was not knowing. I was told that these people generally take 1 year. But I had the doubt because we all wrote every 6 months only. Umaji, you are writing the exam now?
No, ma'am. I'm going as per Varsha Seva Kendra's exams only.
Okay.
So it will be next August. May will be
July or
ASC's
August.
exam. So I'll give it
That's
in
why,
August.
because we are very slow if you are going to consider by February.
No,
When
I'm
we
not taking it in
started by
February.
September only, and already we are in December. And we are not yet crossed so many, at least lesson-wise we have not gone through, no? So, sir, if you need any help, you can call me in my personal number
Yes.
also. I will always help you, no problem.
Thank you.
I am
Thank you so
always
much,
available.
Mahoday.
Whichever
Thank you so
subject
much.
you think, for example, all the suktis one day I can take for you, all the subhashisham together, because I have lessons like that one. I studied like that. All subhashisham and their meaning, padachedam, everything I have got. Entire kada, no, in your own language, you can write down who are the actors, what is the heading of that particular kada in each. That is how they will ask. That is sasandarpam they will be asking. Who said to whom, when, all those things. This very easily you can do in this kada if you know to form some.
We have learnt it in our mother tongue, but we have to get used to writing
Sanskrit
it in
we have to write. No, that is the most important. That is not difficult, I'll tell you. I have all the notes I am having. So anything, anytime you put a message to me, I will immediately, I can contact you. 1 hour easily
I'll put a personal message, Mahoday.
Yes, sir. That is better.
Because group it will be.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
Welcome, sir. So the Savarna Dirgha we have already done. Guna we have seen. Vriddhi we have seen. Purva Rupam, just now madam told, either A or O is the Antima Varna of the Purva Padam, and Parapadasya Pratama Varnaha Hrasva Akaram Eva, nothing else is there, then Adeshaga will be that Purva Padam A, here also the Purva Padam O, that's why the name is Purva Rupa Sandhi, the Purva Rupam is maintained. And in the place of Akaram, one Chinnam you are writing, like a yes you will put it. Now N Sandhi. N Sandhi, you know, very easy. And since you all come up till this level, it is very easy. But I will try to concentrate on how you are going to separate. There is a letter with the Sandhi, how you will separate. There only N you will understand some shortcut and everything you are supposed to know. It will be easy then only. Okay? Okay, now can somebody read this? What is written here? Yes, Umaji, read this first slide.
यण संधि ई प्लस ई और ई उ ऋ ऋ इत्येतेभ्यः इति प्लस एतेभ्यः वर्णेभ्यः परे यदा अस्वर्णः स्वरः भवति तदा तेषां स्थाने क्रमेण यः य व र ल इत्येते वर्णाः आदेश भवन्ति.
Yeah. Yes, in a simple, if you put it, Purva Varnasya Antima Varnam could be either Ikaram, Ukaram, Rikaram or Rikaram. That is why we call it Ikaha, Iko Anachi, Ikaha Yan. So, Purva Varnasya Antima Varnam can be these 4 letters. Paravarnasya, Padasya, Pratama Varnam can be Swaraha only, but there is another letter they go Asavarna Swaraha. Asavarna Swaraha. What do you understand by that? Anybody can tell.
They are not Savarna.
There should not be
Utpatti Sthanam is
Savarna.
not same.
They should not be. Because why? Ikaram is there. The Swaram, another Ikaram is Swaram only. When the Purva Antima Varna Ikaram asti chete, Parapadasya Pratama Varnam abhi Ikaram asti chete, whether N can take place or something else will come. What will come? If it is Savarnam, what will happen?
It will be Savarna only.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi will happen. So, E plus E will come. That is another Sandhi. We have already studied Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. So, in N Sandhi, that Parapadasya Pratavarnam has to be Asavarnam. If it is E, another E cannot be there. If it is there, it will go into Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. So, Asavarnam only. What is Asavarnam for E? Can you look at the letters and tell me? What could be?
Utpatti Sthanams are different in Swaras.
No. Here, let us say Purvapadasya Antima Varnam Ikaram asti. Parapadasya Pradama Varnam, some Asavarnam should come. That's what they are telling.
Let us say.
Anything except E. Achu Varnam, A, E, V, R, L, A, O, I, ouch, all are Ach, no? In that, anything can come, A onwards up to Au, anything can come except E. Ikara should not come. If Ikara comes, it will go into another Sandhi. That is the problem. Okay, yeah. So, Asavarnam here, the word is very, very important. You should not, if they ask you define Yan Sandhi, simply you can write Purva Padasya Antima Varnaha can be Iv, Rul. Okay. Parapadasya Pratama Varnam should be Asavarna Swara, except if the Purva Varnam is E, Paravarnasya Pratama Varnam, Parapadasya Pratama Varnam cannot be E. It can be any Achu Varnam. A to Au, it can be anything except E. If it is U, A to Ach, anything is allowed except U. If you write like this, full marks. That is what the Sandhi is. But if you know Sutram, you will write much better. As you go further, you will learn. This is very clear? Yes,
भगिनी भवती उक्तवती इक् इति अस्ति अतः एण् सन्धि इति उच्यते. इ अस्ति इति अहं जानामि. क कुत्र भवति? कुत्र अस्ति?
I don't understand. Where it? Last time I told you.
आपने बोला ना इक्
No, you come here. 1 minute. I will tell you, explain to you. In this word, Iv, Rul, Iti, Etebhyaha is there, no? In this letter, in this word, you look at it. Iti, Etebhyaha. Clear? If you split it, what comes?
Iti plus Etebhyaha.
Iti is a half letter, right? Then, after that, A is there. E. Because in the place of E, Ya will come, no?
मम प्रश्नः अस्ति यण् इक्
Ikkaha. Oh, you are talking about Ik Varna. Madam, that is from Maheshwara Sutrani. Maheshwara Sutrani, Ikkaha is a Pratyaharam. What is that means is Iv, Rul. Maheshwara Sutrani in day 1 PPT it is there. Just now, I won lyric and I won and Ik, if you take it, Iv, Rul is Ik Varna.
अस्तु अस्तु
That is what I thought in this it you are talking about like that. No. Last time I gave you a clue. If yakaram is there, when somebody is giving you itye tebhya, what is a sandhi? So immediately yanta vantava, yenna, gunama, what is that? Don't struggle. Because yakaram is there, it could be yen. But if it is yen, the previous letter will be a half letter. This you can remember. Because here it is the previous letter, yakaram is there, so it should be T only. T only can become it and E. This much you should understand. How, this is shortcut for exam purpose. Okay? Can I proceed, Umaji?
आं भगिनि
Okay. Here also this iti eta, here also it ete. Iti plus ete. T, it plus E plus ete. This E has become ya, yakaram E. So it plus E plus ete. E will become it plus E plus a. It ete. So it ete. That's all. Very simple. Dissimilar swaras. This word is very important. This Asavarna, now you all already know, there is nothing to explain now. What is the Purva Padasya Antima Varnam? It has to be a evil. Anything other than that. If E is there, except E, something else can be there. Even U can be there, R can be there, anything. Any H is allowed except E. If U is in the previous Padam, Antima Varnam, then except U, anything can be there. This much is what is the first line. This is slightly that in Tamil we call it Munusudina. I don't know how do you present it. There are two nakarams are there, no? One is na, Ramena, we telling. Otherwise we say something like some other name, let us say. Putrena, triple movement, the na will come. So whenever rakaram, repam is there, the nakaram will become nakaram. Okay, Murdanya Nakaram, we call it, no? That. This you have to remember. So why suddenly it has changed? Because Ramena, you say, Lakshmanena, just a simple Nakaram you put. When it comes to Rama, you are not putting the simple Na, you are putting the Na. Nakaram we call it, no? That one. Why you Takaratul last letter, that Nakaram you are putting. It is because of some important rule called Nattuam. There is a rule called Nattuvam. That Nattuvam will make if Nakaram is there after some letters and before that either Repam, Rika, Ra or Rikaram, R or Shakaram, Murdanya Shakaram. Sha we call it now, Murdanya Shakaram. If these things are there, the Nakaram will become Nattuvam. That the Takarasya last letter, Nattuvam it will happen. That they have given. You all know. You say Lakshmanena, but you say Bharatena, na, you are telling. When it comes to Rama, Ramena, you are telling. You are putting the Murdan, that Takarasya Nakaram you are putting. This is because of something rule called Nattuam. It is a very big chapter. Separately you will learn as you proceed further. What are the letters that can be between this Repam, Rikaram and Shakaram and this Nakaram? Between these some letters if they come, Nattuam cannot happen. Between these if some letter come, it can happen. If they are immediately after one another, it will happen. And if the Nakaram is happen to be the last letter, it will not happen. Like this, some 10-15 rules are there. You have got to learn it as you go further. For the time being, you remember Ramena, Oi Lakshmanena. So Repam is there, Rama, Rakaram is there. So Na has become Na. This the rule they have suddenly here given. Just remember this. This rule is very important. Okay, Nattuam. The rule name is Nattuam. Okay, this Adesham you have given. You may ask, in the place of Ivu rule, Yava, Rala will come. When somebody may question, why in the place of E, Va cannot come? Why in the place of E, Ra cannot come? Why in the place of E, La, R cannot come? That question can come in our mind. That is why I told you, go and see the Urpati Sthanam. Ishulasanam Talu. E and Ya, their Urpati Sthanam is the same. So, E will be replaced only by Ya. That is, then only the Bhasha can come out. After all, we are learning one language. So, one E and Ya only, because that is, they are starting in the same place in the throat. Talu. Similarly, U and Va. Va you have known, okay? Vakarasya dantoshtam. U also oshtam. So, U will be always replaced by Va only. So, Urpati Sthanam of the letters is very important sutra which we have given in the first PPT. You can go through it. E plus U is equal to E plus U. What will be the final letter? It will become what? E will be replaced by E. U is already there, so U is there. So
U.
this, yeah, U. Like the ya and in each you have to put that, this one. Okay. Now Ati plus Uttamam. We will start with Uma, Sar and Chitra. In that order we can go. Umaji.
E plus U. So, Atyuttam.
You please remember, Ati you split it, At. E is there. So At plus E, Uttamam will never change. Yan Sandhi is not Ekadesha. Parapadam does not undergo any change. Purvapadam alone, E will become E. So try to concentrate on only on the Purvapadam.
So, to will be half, yo will come in. So, Atyuttamam.
Atyuttamam. Very good. Very
Ma'am,
good.
I'll just, can I just tell you what I understood of this?
Yes, madam.
So, if you have U, E, basically a swaraha is anything, any swara which is not there in the first place. So, if you have E plus any a swaraha, that changes to ya.
Yeah, E changes to yeah, you tell.
Then
The other swaraha are as
plus
it is, they are sitting.
U plus any a swaraha, that is anything other than U becomes va.
Yeah, here, wow, U becomes Va, correct? That's it. And it is joins with the other one.
R plus R with any other a swaraha becomes refa r. R with any other a swaraha becomes l.
Okay, we will see for all the other things I will put it. Because Rikaram, that is like that we put no Rikaram, it will become Ir. Yava Ra, no, that Ra, it is nothing but one Vanjanam. It will become Ir only. Only in the case of Gunam and Vriddhi, Ar, and all those things. Here, it is single letter. Ya, E will come. Va, Iv will come. Ra, Ir will come. La, rarely, it never really comes. If it comes, we can put it. La, Lakaram, Ill will come. Okay, yeah. Only one example is that I am going to give you. So, Atu plus E. This U, Uttamam doesn't change anything. E alone plus E. E plus U, as you told, U it will become. Okay?
U plus A. U plus A. U plus A.
Some letter, some U the
becomes,
place of U, what will come? Iv will come.
Av will come.
No.
So,
see, there is a Purvapadam which ends in U. And there is a Parapadam, it starts with the A. A will not change at all. U will become Iv.
Va. It will become Va.
Va, correct. So never touch the Parapadasya Pratama Varnam. It will be as it is there. Purva Varnam alone will change. This is not Ekadesha Sandhi. It is not only one letter will change. Okay, and that too only Purva Padasya Antima Varnam alone will get changed. Parapadam will stand at is. So if you look at U as the last letter, make it Iv. Whatever be the swara there, it will join with that. As long as it is not a Asavarnam, no problem. Okay, it should be Asavarnam, that's all. Savarnam, though, it will go into Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Mastu plus adhuna. Mastu plus adhuna. Mastu plus adhuna.
You put it first, don't struggle. Mast, it varakum stop it. It plus
Mastu.
U. It plus U, correct?
U.
So
Va.
mast is there. U has become Va. Va plus A, Va.
Va.
So mast
Mast.
Baduna.
Mastu adhuna.
Mast, stop it. Baduna. Baduna.
Vadhuna.
That's all. This is very easy, but I will give you, when they give two things, joining is always easy. Now comes, this is Chitra, R plus A. Ra, just Ra. Okay, yeah. Rakaram, we call it, no, Ra. So, Matru. Matrula, Mat plus R plus Archanam. Archanam, as it is, keep it. Mat, you keep it. The R replaced by Ir. Ir plus A, Ra. Mat plus Ra plus Ir plus Chanam. Mat Rarchanam. Mat Ra Ir Chanam. Mat Rarchanam. Okay. It plus Ra is Tra. That is a, you know, this is a Samyukta letter. We have to write it this fashion. Writing la, you can put it Ra separately also, but this is better way of writing. Like this way. Ulta ke jaisa. Matra chanam. Okay. Now fast you will do. Chitra, start. Prati plus ekam.
प्रति प्लस एकम प्रत्येकम ई अधिकम ये
Yeah.
ये य भवति
E becomes ya plus ye, so prat ekam. Madhu plus Hari, sir, you tell me.
Madhvari.
Very good. Madam, Uma?
R plus R. Pitramsha.
Pitramshaha.
Pitramshaha.
Chitra?
इत्युक्ते इति प्लस अधिकम इति अधिकम उक्ते इत्युक्ते.
Yes, sir.
Yadyapi.
Madam?
Ityapi.
पठन्त्यत्र.
Patant yatra. Very good.
Kavish vekaha.
Kavish?
plus.
You correct.
Kavish vekaha.
Dekaha. Very good. Janani? Yes, madam.
Janani plus etat. E plus a. Janan yattat.
No, Janan, stop it. Then?
E plus A will become year.
Ye. E plus ye. So, Janan yetat. That ya put ye. You have to put that mark at the top. Yavarala ya. Because of ye plus ye.
Janan yetat.
Yes. That's why I told you. Whenever, if this joined letter is given, looking at it, yavarala, before that half letter is there, try to put whether it is a yan. How do you split it? Purva padam should be independently give you a meaningful. Parapadam should also be independently, should be meaningful. Then you can split it. This is very, very important. Anyway, I will give you. Next, madam, iti, Chitra.
इत्यभ्यः. इत्यभ्यः. इति अधिकम एतेभ्यः.
एतेभ्यः. So,
एतेभ्यः.
एतेभ्यः. It एतेभ्यः. Correct, Chitra?
इत्यभ्यः.
No, madam. You are omitting on tebhyah, you are omitting. It is there, am I right? E will become ya plus ye. So, it ye tebhyah. Am I right, Chitra? Any doubt? Write down and see.
Aam.
it plus a, e plus a, tebhyah is artist is there. So it, a tebhyah, instead of ach a, you have the yakaram and a. Okay, yeah? Now comes our problem. This is
We
interesting.
have to split
Uma,
it.
look at it. There is a it before and va is there. When va will come?
Mm.
Previous letter should be u.
U.
So it
Khalu.
plus u.
Khalu plus etat.
No, it is there, but what you are telling?
Halvetat. So you asked me
Hal-
to split up the word.
Yeah, it is.
So ve will come when it is
Oh, sorry.
u. U plus some other.
What should be u plus what will become a way? U has become u. U has become, so it will become two.
U plus ve. U plus a.
ஏவ ஏ
Huh.
அச்சு ஏ இருக்கு இல்லையா இருக்காரத்துக்கு வரும் AIO outs, that a must have become வே because of u plus a வே. So 2 plus ஏவ 2 ஏவ. Understood? Generally that 2 stands for certainty. 2 eva mama mata, 2 eva mama pita. You only like that we tell, no? Like that. So this is what I told you. Look at the hraswa letter, half letter. Vakaram has come. It can be n only. So vakaram it should be ukaram. Previous letter plus ukaram. Itu plus u2. Stop it. And iv plus a only way it could have become. So it has to be eva only. You understood? Any doubt, Uma? But you have to write down, Uma. Then only it is easy. If when I was a student, I will write it plus iv plus a plus va. Eva, it is a proper word. I put it. It plus iv. Iv in the what would have become you? Vu. So it plus vu. So 2 plus eva. Is it okay? Any doubt, Umaji?
This we'll have to. I'll have to practice, ma'am.
Yeah, you write. Now itself take a rough notebook with you and write it. I have no problem. You write it. Way will be what? Iv plus a. Am I right? It plus iv plus a plus va. Va as it is you keep. So it plus iv you have. Iv you have to replace by u. That you know. U has become iv means ulta happens. So it plus u plus eva. It plus u 2. Isn't it? Halantu plus swaram, if you get a gunaksharam, no? 2. Itu plus u is 2. Iku plus u is ku. So 2 plus eva. Am I right? Because this is splitting a word is very, very, very important. You should know what letters are there, then only you can join or split it. Anyway, we'll go further. Vakyeshu yansandi abhyasaha. Chitra, you start.
हे अम्ब कृपया पच्योदनम
Aram say you read it. Pachatu Odanam is there. Okay. What is there is Pachatu Odanam.
Pachati plus Odanam.
Pachati one Y is there. If Y is there, previous letter has to be U only. Isn't it? If Y is there, previous letter can be only U. So Pachatu Odanam. What is Pachatu?
Cook Annam Pachatu.
What is that? Pachatu stands for?
Cook.
Latlakaram, Langalakaram, Lotlakaram, what?
Lotlakaram.
Lotlakaram. Pachatu, Pachatam, Pachantu. We have studied, no?
Bhavati
Lotlakaram
Pachatu.
means requesting or telling, no? Mummy, please cook. Like that we are telling, no? So, Pachatu Odanam. Why is there means it, with the it you have to only add U. U only would have become Va. So, now you know Odanam. If you don't know there is a word called Odanam, you can never split it. Because you know what is Odanam, you know there is a word called Pachatu. Pachatu means you cook. Even you do it.
Bhavati Pachatu Odanam.
Amba Kripaya Pachatu Odanam. Amma, please cook the food. That's all. Next, sir. Yadi.
यदि इच्छास्ति चेत् तर्हि नास्त्यसाध्यम्. यदि इच्छास्ति.
One by one
इच्छा.
we'll go. Ichha asti.
Okay. Ichha plus asti. Savana dirgha sandhi. Ichha plus asti.
There is no word called
Ichhasti.
ichha. Okay.
Oh.
Ichha is only there. Ichha is a Strilinga word. So ichha
Okay.
plus asti is ichhasti. Savarna dirgha sandhi.
Okay.
That's why I told you, you will make, whether it is akaram or akaram, it will be replaced by akaram. But you should know whether ichha is one word is there or ichha is only is there. That is basic rule. That comes only by practice. So ichha, ungalku, I have mama krite ichha asti, like that we should know ichha only we use. We never say ichha asti is a word in not there. So this is somewhere you have to be very careful. That is where many of us who don't know, that is our vocabulary is poor means, even though you are good in Sandhi, when you split it, you will make a problem. You should know, vocabulary should be improved by again and again doing. So, ichha asti, savarna dirgha sandhi. Okay, chet is nothing but one avyayam.
Chet is avyayam.
Next,
Tarhi.
tarhi, that is
Okay,
also
is
avyayam.
also
Then,
avyayam. Nastya sadhyam. Nasti plus nasti. Ikara agacchati.
yeah, in that it has to be ikaram, so nasti.
Ikaram
We
only.
know one
So
word is there,
nasti
nasti.
plus nasti plus
E plus what will become ya? So
asadhyam.
asadhyam.
Nasti
Nasti,
asadhyam.
asadhyam nasti. You can do everything. Asadhyam nasti. Nasti asadhyam iti chintayatu.
Iti chintayatu.
Artham, you tell the meaning?
Artham is yadi chasti chet tarhi nasti asadhyam iti chintayatu. If you don't like,
no,
if you like it, if you sorry.
If yadi ichha asti chet, in case you have a desire, ichha asti, I have a desire. Yadi ichha asti chet, in case desire is there, tarhi,
then only
asadhyam nasti. Everything is sadhyam eva.
So think like that. Iti chintayatu.
This you remember. Okay, yeah. This you think about it. Okay. Next.
भवतः गमनस्य आवश्यकता नास्ति. So prati ya will be e plus something.
No, yeah, when it comes e you have told, prati you have correctly told.
Prati plus agmanasya.
Agamanasya. Agamanam means coming back. No, prati agam, going, coming back. Prati agamanasya avashyakata nasti. Okay, bhavataha, bhavat sabdasya षष्ठी vibhakti. Bhavat, bhavata, bhavate, bhavataha, bhavataha, bhavati. This rupam you have to learn. So, bhavataha, unnudaya, say you are coming back. There is no necessity for your coming back. Okay. Prati agamanasya, coming back, that coming back, adanudaya, for that there is no need. Avashyakata nasti. Okay. There is no need for you to come back. That's the meaning. Yes, Madam Uma, you attempt the next one, fourth also.
Saha nahaham yate iti niveditvan. So here will be nahi.
Very good. And the ya will be a.
Nahi aham.
Saha
nahi aham yate iti niveditvan. What does
Niveditavan. Niveditavan. He requested something. Nivedita means requested.
Kim navagatam bagini. Saha kim bhavati?
Enna madam?
Nahi aham.
Nahi aham. Nahi Hindi shabdam asti khalo.
But here yakaram is there. Okay. Previous letter hakaram is there. So it has to be he only. Okay, yeah. Illana na he. He means you can put it. I am not talking about Hindi sabdam. Na means without. He certainly aham. Aham, you know there is a word available. Yate.
Fine.
Yate means aham yate. Yate na yat sabdam you know no? That is Atmanepati Rupam. Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam. Atmanepati Yate. So that is iti niveditavan. Saha, he is asking, he is requesting niveditavan. Saha niveditavan. Iti niveditavan. This way he, what he is telling? Aham yate. Na yate. Aham, I am not going. Okay, this he is trying to tell. Okay, yeah, madam? Chitra? As you told, Nahi is not a Sanskrit word. That is correct. So we have to split it. Na plus yate. Na yate. We can always, a negative should be joined with the Kriya Padam only. So na yate. I am not. Aham na yate. I am not going. He is we put the he, that is a filler. Whenever you put he, tu, that means certainly, kila, isn't it? Like that, something when we speak what, that can be filled by these words. Kila, separate meaning is there, but no meaning is there. But we say, we always use, isn't it? Like that, if you want to say in Sanskrit, there is only one word, kila. Like that, we have to use it. Yes, Madam Chitra, next. Kintvekam.
किन्त्वेकं फलमपि तत्र न लभते किन्तु एकं फलमपि.
Very good. Kintu, why it is there, so it must be u. So kintu, and there is a word called kintu, you know that. What is the meaning kintu?
परंतु लेकिन एक फल भी उधर नहीं मिला.
Yes. Phalamapi. Phalamapi, any sandhi is there, sir? Can you tell me? Phalamapi?
Mahoday. Phalam plus api.
Is there any
No,
sandhi
Bhagini.
there?
Phalam
Sandhi
api,
nasti.
yes, there is a sandhi, no?
No, sir. See,
No?
phalam plus api has become phala plus im plus a ma. It is only a varna melanam. Imu plus a, it's become ma, no? You know it is. It is a
Correct.
gunaksharam. So that is not a sandhi. Sandhi means varna vikaram. Existing word should disappear or change or bring something new. That is
Okay.
here nothing else. If you split for phalam api, it will be phalam plus api. If you join also, im is also there, a is also there. Nothing has gone there. So there is no sandhi. That's why I wanted to ask this question.
Okay. Very
Yeah,
nice.
okay. What is labate? Uma Sharma, labate?
Get.
Lot lakara, lit lakara, lang lakara.
Labate is Atmanepadi.
Which lakaram?
Uh,
Labate, labete, labante.
Lang lakar.
Lat lakara.
Lat lakar.
Try to please remember all this. Minimum of these 5 should be thorough even in the middle of the night. And I thought very difficult to go up further. These lakaras are very headache for us. Because in new language we don't know, no? Because in Tamil and all or English, somehow we never understood this Sabdarupam and all, we never know. But here it is compulsory. You have to remember. Chitra, can you tell labate all the forms?
लभते लभेते लभन्ते लभसे लभेते लभद्वे लभे लभावहे लभामहे.
Labe, labavahe, labamahe. Very good. Vidilingam. Every class now I am going to ask some word I will catch up. I will ask what is a Vidilinga Rupam. What is it? Just now Latlakara only somebody has told. Similarly, at least first line, Prathama Purusha line, at least you should be able to tell. For Labdhatu, what is a Vidilinga Rupam? Can you tell, Uma? Remember Vidilingam?
No, ma'am.
Sir?
Labate, labante.
Labate is just now madam told Latlakara Rupam, na? Labate, labete, labante, Latlakara Rupam, na?
What you want me to say?
Linglakara Rupam or lot, how it changes. Do you remember anything? Same Labdhatu.
No.
Please learn next class, that only I am going to ask. Okay.
Okay.
Whenever Atmanepadi, enama?
लंग लकार.
Lang you tell.
अलभत अलभेताम अलबंत अलबथाः अलबेथाम अलबध्वम अलबे अलबावहि अलबामहि.
Alabavahi, alabamahi. Okay. When they say, once you know lang lakaram, vidilingam is same. Only a will not be there. So have
लभेत
something in your mind
लभेयातां
like that you can put it quickly. Okay, madam? Chitra?
लभेत लभेयातां लभेरन् लभेर्थाः लभेयाथां लभेध्वं लभेय लभेवहि लभेमहि. अहं
Same
दृष्ट्वा
vahi mahi. Only for lang and vidhi this vahi mahi will come. And taha only for vidhiling, lang lakaram, and for vidhiling it will come. Certain things we can remember. And yatham will come in the vidhilinga.
भगिनी अहं दृष्ट्वा एव उक्तवती.
Ayyo,
कण्ठपाठः नास्ति.
that is bad girl. Now learn magab. Okay. We have to learn, no. See, now I am doing some
आप
turiya.
बोलेंगे ना इसको सब कुछ आता है, मुझे सब कुछ नहीं आता है.
No, try. You can do very well, Chitra. But what I am trying to tell, no, now I am told to do some little akaram. You all know, no, paroksha bhutakalam, and then something called lungu lakaram. They are all very dangerous. They don't have normal rupam at all. For one dhatu, one rupam, another rupam. They are very different. Pachu dhatu, like that, papacha, pechata, pechatuhu. Like that. The same Pachadatu, Atmanepadi, something else, Peche. Only confusion to itna confusion. You are so lucky, the first 5 lakaras are very easy. That you thorough karo. Next, you have to learn lit lakaram, lung lakaram, ashir lakaram. That all we never learnt, no. Those headaches are going to come next. So
अहं
better.
पठितुम् अहं तान् लकारान् पठितुं न इच्छामि भगिनी.
क्यों?
अहम् उन्मत्ता भवामि.
Sanskrit is such a good language, madam, and you are really good. Don't think like that. Okay, next. Which number we know? 6.
I'll try.
Try, sir.
Kintekam. Oh, that's got over.
That is
Okay.
over. 6.
Yeah. Pitam avhaya tviti anuja uktavati. Pitam.
What is pitam? There is no word called pitam.
पितां सम्यक् नास्ति भगिनी.
Pitaram eva asti. Pitam is a kuch bhi nahi hai. Okay, it is a pitaram you keep in mind, okay? Pitaram,
okay, so
this second word alone has sandhi. That only you try.
Avhaya tviti. So vakara has come. So and
so it will become ti.
It will become ti. Yeah, correct. No.
So
Ahvayatu.
Vakaram is there too. Agvayatu.
Ahvayatu iti. Ahvayatu iti.
Iti. Very good.
Ahvayatu iti. Anuja uktavati. Meaning is the Anuja is saying that father is calling.
No. Anuja is telling Ahvayatu. You call somebody. Whom she wants to call Pitaram. The spelling mistake is there. It is not Pitam.
Okay.
Pita subject. Pitaram is the Dudhyavati. Call your father. Okay. Call the father. So call the father. Idi Anuja. What is Anuja?
Anuja is the younger sister.
Okay. Anuja Uktavati. Okay. What is the verb in Uktavati?
Uktavati is past tense, no?
Correct. But what is the verb? What is the dhatu? Dhatu. Original dhatu has become Uktavati.
1 minute. Uktavati.
Vach dhatu. Okay.
Vach dhatu.
Vaktavyam, Vadaniyam, and all we are saying, no, the Uktavati. Uktavati is what, Uma? Uktavati. You learned, no? What is it? Is it a dhatu rupam or kridanta rupam?
Kridanta rupam.
What is the kridanta name? Uktavati. Vati. Uktavati.
Yeah,
Iktavatu. Tavatu, we call it. Ik is there, but ik is silent. Tavatu pratyayam. For boy, Uktavati. For the girl, for the boy, Uktavan. For Napumsalingam, Uktavat. Okay. So this is the past tense, and 99 people will use, instead of lakaram, people are very happy to use this kridanta roopam, because whether only boy, girl, gender difference will be there. Otherwise, for whoever it is, aham also uktavan only. When I say aham uktavati, I will say because I know I am a lady, and sir will say he will also say I am uktavan only. So the uktavati, uktavan will never change. Saha, if you say, we can always say uktavan, uktavan. Very easy to use. Anyway, but this uktavati, uktavan is not a verb. Remember, they are kridanta padam, they are only sabda rupam. They are not dhatus. Just they give the bhavam of a dhatu. That's all. Just to help us. Next, who is going to read? Umaji, Karyam.
कार्यं समाप्य कर्मकारी विलम्बेन प्रत्यागतवती. कार्यं समाप्य कर्मकारी विलम्बेन प्रत्य. So e plus a. So prati agatavati.
Agatavati. So she came back again. See, Karyam
After
Samapya.
having
Samapya.
finished. Lap pratyaya.
Lap. Why you call it as a lap? Why I cannot put twa there?
It is samapya.
So what is the
After
problem?
having finished the work.
No, samapya, you said lap, no?
Isn't
Correct?
it samapya? After
Yeah,
having
it
finished.
has come, you call it lap. It is a avyayam, I understand. But why you have put lap is because some upasargam is there, you have to use only lap.
So.
That is what. Karmakari. Karmakaraha, karmakari. This is known as top pratyam. Strilingam. Any word, any pullingam will become a strilingam if you add a pratyaya called top pratyayam. That is, it will become ikaram will be added. That's all. Just remember. Vilambena, what is the meaning?
Late.
Very good. Correct. Next, sir.
कोलाहलः मास्त्विदानीम् इति शिक्षकः आज्ञापितवान्. मास्त उकार अस्ति. मास् मास्तु प्लस
V is there. So what should have been there?
Ukaram.
See, why is there, so you have put ukaram. But iv has become V. So first letter should have been ikaram. Correct? Iv plus E only V, na? Iv is there, so you have put the ukaram for the previous letter.
Correct.
For the next letter, V is there. V means E. Idanim.
Idanim.
Mastu idanim.
Idanim.
What is mastu?
Mastu means enough.
Mastu. No. Mastu means no. Enough means alam. Mastu na don't do. Okay. Idanim means
right away.
Now.
Aduna.
Right now.
Aduna. Now. Right now.
Now.
So idanim mastu kolahala. Kolahala means that right, like shouting
nice.
And jumping.
Nice. Chaos.
Idi shikshakaha adhyapakaha.
Ajnapitavan. The teacher ordered enough of noise right away.
Correct. Next, Madam Uma.
माता महयाः वात्सल्येन वचनेन तृप्तिम् अनुभूय स प्रत्युदितवान्.
Here, the last letter, 1 minute, Umaji.
माता महायाः वात्सल्येन वचनेन तृप्तिम् अनुभूय स प्रत्युदितवान्. So Matamahi, grandmother with.
No. Here, which letter has a sandhi? Which word?
Pratyuditvan. Prati uditvan.
उदितवान् शब्द अस्ति वा भगिनि? उक्तवान् अस्ति.
वद् शब्दस्य उदितवान् अस्ति मैडम. वच् शब्दं उक्तवान् अस्ति. Vad vadati is there. No, vad is one is there. Vach is one. Even though meaning is speaking only. But there is two sabdams are there. Vadati is there. and vach is also uktavan. We are telling, no, uditavan is there, madam.
उक्तवती अस्ति खलु अनुजा उक्तवती अस्ति
That vach varambodhu you say uktavati. Uktavan, uktavati is something. Here uditavan is also there. Vad dhatu is there. You can check it in Ashtadhyayi.
अस्तु भगिनि.
So,
Prati.
he was satisfied with his grandmother's loving words. Prati uditvan means he spoke again, is it? He replied.
Again he spoke. So Mata Mahyaha. Mata Mahi, you know, Mahyaha. Which vibhakti? Shashti.
Shashti.
Vasalyena.
Vachanena, loving words. Truptim.
By loving words. Truptim, you know that. Trupti, you know. Anubhuya. Lapa pratyayam. Saha.
Prati uditvan.
Okay.
This is Tavatu again.
Yes, ma'am. Sir, Geetaya.
गीतया तस्याः सख्यपि अन्वगच्छत्. गीतया तस्याः सख्यपि सखी प्लस अपि.
सखी अपि
अन्वगच्छत् is lap pratyaya.
Hey, anvagachat is just a verb. No, lappilla.
No pratyaya.
Anu avagachat.
Sorry. Anu plus gachat.
Va is there, so anu
plus gachat.
Va a is there, so anu plus a avagachat. Sorry, agachat. Anu agachat. Agachat is past tense, no?
That's what I said. Yeah.
Is this one.
Okay. Anu plus agachat.
Agachat.
तत्र सन्धि नास्ति अस्ति खलु भगिनि?
अस्ति न अन्वगच्छ is there, no? Anu plus agachat is
Anu plus agachat is there, no?
There is sandhi. N sandhi is there, madam.
आमाम् अस्तु.
Sakya api also N sandhi there. But sir, artham meaning?
गीतया तस्याः सख्यपि अन्वगच्छत्. गीतया तस्याः सखी अपि अन्वगच्छत्. अनु अगच्छत्.
भगिनी तत्र गीतया सह भवितुम् अर्हति खलु?
सह is missing first. Then
गीता के साथ उसके सखी भी उसके साथ गई.
Correct. That is missing. Because without saha, this has no meaning. Geetaya means by Geeta. What is the meaning? Geetaya saha, only Geeta, along with the Geeta it will come. It is missing here. The mistakes are there in the PowerPoints given. We will correct it later. Okay. What is this slokam they have given? This leave it because meaning also I could not find out anywhere. So we'll Valmiki Ramayanam Balakanda. If this PPT I already put it in your this one. Either Chitra or Uma or Sir, if you can find out the meaning, and if there is any sandhi here, it can be only Savarna Dirgha Sandhi or Guna or Vriddhi or Yanta. Yanta we are not yet covered. And if anything is there, you can find out and give the meaning. I tried today, but I could not get it. Then I said, okay, next time we will see. Yes, madam. You want to tell me? What happened?
उत्तरमपि प्रेषयतु भगिनी.
I will, but today by
अस्मिन् श्लोकस्य नहीं संध्याः संदेः.
Whatever we asked till now.
Ma'am.
But there is no separate uttaram there. Only in the class we can discuss like this. You want me to rewrite and send you?
No, Bhagini, I will write.
Yeah, you can write and send me in this one. That is better. Okay. Otherwise, I am going to give, just now I wanted to open another PPT where only, I will send it to you, that you be aram se do at home and submit to me.
आम्.
instead of calling out in the class.
अस्मिन् श्लोके व्यञ्जनसन्धिः अस्ति.
That is what. Lot of other things also there. See here, Dharmagya, next line you see, Dharmagya cha, Visarga Sandhi is there. Visargatya Sattvam and then Chutva Sandhi. Visarga Sandhi and Vyanjana Sandhi, Tona are there. I don't know why they have given this. So,
Kashchapi Sandhi is there.
yeah, so we will do this later. If you want, you can try it. But without knowing Visarga Sandhi and all, what you will do? You cannot do anything. Now we will go to Yanta Vanta Sandhi. This is also very important Sandhi. If you look at Bhu Dhatu, you know, all of you know what is Bhu Dhatu, isn't it? Asti, we say, no? Some Bhavati, Asti, he is there, existing, that is the meaning. Bhu Dhatu. It becomes Bhavati. Okay, Bhavati, Bhavataha, Bhavanti, like that we are telling. Sa Bhavati, Saha Bhavati, we are telling. So Bhu, how it became Bhava. These are all because all these Supa and Ting Pratyam, if you look at it, Yanta Vanta Sandhi is playing a very big role. What is it I am going to tell you now? Just giving making you, trying to grasp what we are trying to tell. That is how it is. You will see later. Prakriti Bhava later. So Yanta Vanta only will cover it. Now, see first Savarna Disilita Sandhi, we have seen Akara. Okay. A, I, that one, Akkavarikum we have seen. Then Guna Sandhila, or Purvamla, this side EU we have seen. Then Vriddhi Sandhila, Purvamla, this side AO we have seen. AO, I outs, up till this, both sides we have seen. So till now we have seen only in that till the first three. In An we have seen Evu seen. After Evu you have got AO, I outs. Now in the Pura Padasya Antima Varnaka will become the leftover. Okay, we have seen in the Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, Guna Sandhi and Vriddhi Sandhi. Evu rule we have seen in N Sandhi. Next letter is AO, I outs. This will come in the Purva Padam. I am not at all talking about the Parapadam. In the Purva Padam, the last four letters are going to come. It could be A, O, I, outs. If these things comes, and Paraparna, what should be there? Yanta, Vanta, Desha, Sandhi. I will give the formula also, you can look it. Parapadam is going to be some Achu Varnam only. Okay? It could be Akaranta to Aukaranta, whatever you want, it will be there. But AO is there and Parapadasya Pratama Varnam Akaram is there. Already we have seen one Sandhi. What is that Sandhi? Purva Rupa Sandhi. So Purva Padasya Antima Varnaka A asti chet or O asti chet. These are the same thing. Here also Yanta Vantala also same AO is there. Same AO we have seen Purva Rupa Sandhi. So Purva Padasya Antima Varnaka AO asti chet. Parapadasya Antima Varnaka Hrasva Akaram asti chet. It is not Yanta Vanta. Even though Yanta Vantala AO is allowed, but only Hrasva Akaram, that is a separate condition. It will go into Purva Rupa Sandhi. So those concepts. So whenever you look at AO, I, Au, you look at it, Purva Rupasya, last Varnam is AO, I, Au. Any one is there. Immediately what you should look? Whether Paravarnam has Akaram. Okay, Paravarnam is Akaram is there. Again go back. Whether it is A or O. Oh, it is A or O. Paravarna Akaram. Now I will not apply Anta Vanta. I will apply only Purva Rupa Sandhi. First eliminate Purva Rupa Sandhi. Otherwise, whatever I tell the rules, A will become I, O will become Au will become I will become I, Au will become Au. I will take everything, you will write like that. And Hrasvakaram will be there. I plus Hrasvakaram Aya. Au plus Krishna Ava. Like that you will keep on doing. But everything wrong. Because A and O and A there means you should never go to Yantavanta. So from the exam point of view, write down. First eliminate Purva Rupa Sandhi. AO is there, so immediately look for A. If it is there, this cannot be Yantavanta. This mistake many people do. They know both the Sandhi very well, but they will never remember Yantavanta cannot come first. Purva Rupa has to be eliminated, then only Yantavanta. Okay, yeah? This is very important. Now, can somebody read it? Umaji, can you read? A-O-I-O.
A-O-I-औ अच् इत्येतेभ्यः वर्णेभ्यः परे यदा स्वरः अच् भवति तदा तेषां स्थाने क्रमशः ऐ औ आय् आव् इत्येते आदेशः भवन्ति अस्य सन्धे अन्यनाम अयवायव सन्धिः.
Yeah. See, they call it so many names, okay? A comes, Ya comes, Va comes. Okay, so Avayava Sandhi, they call it. Yanta, Vanta, Desha Sandhi. Name is different. But if you look at the Yanta, Vanta, if you split everything, Ya Antam Asti Chet, Va Antam Asti Chet, like that you have to split it. I'll tell you the splitting of Aputta Yanta Vanta as we go further. But simple rule, nobody is going to ask you what is the Sandhi name, split it, nobody will ask. They will ask you the actual Sandhi by giving you 2 words. So, if the Purva Padasya Antima Manaka, A-O-I ouch. What is the Maheshwara Sutrani for A-O-I ouch? It is written in the bracket, H. H. See, A-O-ng, I ouch. So, A-O-ng, ing you remove it. A-O, ouch, I ouch. So, Aich we call it. So, only I and Au means Aich. From A and O means A-ong. But A to Au means I-H. A, starting letter A, ending that each is there, no, in Aich. That you have to keep it. So, Maheshwara Sutrani, it is known as H letters. So, Purva Padasya Andima Varnaha, H asti chet, A-O-I-O. Then, Parapadana, it has to be one Achuvarnam. A to Au. Anything can be there. If it is there, that A will become I. So, here also it is not a Ekadesha Sandhi. Only Purva Padasya Andima Varnam changes. Have you seen that? Like Yan Sandhi, here also Purva Padasya Antima Varna Eva changes. A will become I. O will become, so when you look at Va, you know how has to come. O means O, Va and O are related, no? Gunasandhi itself we have seen. So, O will become Au. I will become I. Because I is a long letter, I. Au will become Au. This is some rules we will see now. Time, what is the time? It is already going to be 9:30. I think it is getting very late. Shall I stop at this point?
Yeah.
Because Yanta Vanta right now, you should, lot of exercise are there. I stop at this point, then we'll continue. My dear friends, my request is only 1%, 2%, 3% is getting on my nerves. So what I request is, I put up a vote, but nobody voted. Out of 9 people, Uma only said yes, and you have given your preference. And I know Chitra will agree because Saturday, Sunday is difficult for her. But what about others? What do we do like that? I don't know. Should we have this Friday permanently, or can I put one more voting? I want some more people to join. That is my only request. How do we go about it? Any idea? If you get it, please kindly send to my email. It send to my phone number here, please. WhatsApp me, you can send it. Personally, also instead of Lata, you can put it in my personal number also. If you feel like it, no problem. Okay, yeah.
भगिनी हम तीन लोग हैं ना, क्या वोट करना है?
Only 3 out of 9, only 3. That day only you 2 were there. Uma could not come. Because of Uma told weekday is difficult, I changed it to Friday night. But I think some people who are outside India, they cannot join, I think, Friday night though. Because night is early morning. I don't understand what is the timing. Each foreign person has a separate timing. So I have no idea. Any of you, how do we make everybody join the class? That is my only concern. Otherwise, only 3 people will continue on Friday, every Friday. That is
nights are a bit difficult, Madam Mohoday, because I go to bed very early.
Yeah, correct. I understand. You told me. I requested you today Because Uma
Early
said
mornings.
Friday okay, Chitra also said Friday. If Friday okay, I can reduce the time. Say even 6 to 7, 7 to 8, anything I can do, provided all the three of you agree. I just started with the Friday, assuming all others will join, but nobody has joined.
Ma'am, put up another message on the group, ma'am.
Yeah, I am going to put another message today. Okay, can somebody tell the prayer, please? We'll close it. Sir, start.
ओम पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम नमः शिवाय।
Thank you, sir. I will stop this.
धन्यवादः।
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಭಗಿನಿ. ನಮೋ ನಮಃ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः.
ಶುಭರಾತ್ರಿ.
ನಮೋ ನಮಃ. Okay, madam. Shivaratri.